Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm going to present about solar energy. What's that? Let me explain. I'm going to start with its history. In 1797, the first solar collector is made. A Swiss scientist created an insulated box covered with 3 layers of glass to absorb heat energy. In 1883, the first solar cell was introduced, and in 1893, the first solar heater was created. A copper collector was invented in 1908, and it was constructed using copper coils and boxes. During 1959 to 1970, there were major discussions about the efficiency of solar cells and reduction of costs. The efficiency of the solar cells was only 14% and was not comparable to the high cost of producing cells. In 1999, the most efficient solar cell was developed with a photovoltaic efficiency of 36%. So, how do they work? The solar cells convert sunlight directly into electricity. A module is a group of cells connected and packaged into a frame, and they are known as solar panels. A silicon is a semiconductor. It shares some properties of metals and some of those of an electrical insulator, making it a key ingredient in solar cells. Sunlight is composed of particles called photons. As these hit the silicon atoms of the solar cells, they transfer their energy to loose electrons. Then, they need to herd these stray electrons into an electric current. By putting small quantities of other elements into the silicon structure, 2 different types of silicons are created. The N-type, which has spare electrons, and the P-type, which is missing electrons, leaving holes in their place. When the N-type and the P-type silicons are placed side by side inside a solar cell, they create an electric field across the cell. This field drives them along to provide electric current. What about the advantages? Solar energy is an ongoing free energy, which means that it does not need to be extracted and transported to the power plant. Next, it also offers decentralization in most locations, meaning self-reliant societies. Then, solar energy also saves the ecosystems because solar doesn't rely on constantly mining raw materials. It doesn't result in the destruction of forests, which can help save the environment. However, there are also some disadvantages. The first disadvantage is that it can't work at night. Then, the traditional silicon crystalline modules are large solar panels that are covered in glass. It makes them very bulky. Next, solar system costs a lot to be installed, either at home or to build a solar farm. And that is all from me. Thank you very much.
Created using Powtoon.